I'll never tell you where Robert is because I am Miss Patterson. My mustache is very... Mustaches. No, he just killed Miss Patterson. Oh my God, my luscious nose hair. Send out the guards when I put my nose hair back in my nose. Would you like a drink, sir? You? Yes, sure, I'd like a Pepsi Cola. Remember me? You again? What's it this time? The boss called me. We're going to the quantum of crap. Oh! Yeah, he gave me a gas mask. What about me? There was only one. Why? What? Here's Vermont. Let's get out. We're gonna have to, jump out of the plane. What? I thought Boss gave us parachutes this time. Yeah, he did. But we had to jump out of the plane to use the parachutes. All right. Over the rules of parachuting, but here are the rules again. First, you're gonna squat, then you're gonna pray, then you're gonna leap, and you're gonna and then touchdown.
That sounds flat.
You know that! All right, let's get ready. You didn't say stupid. You said yeah.
I forgot to pray.
God's gonna curse you. I prayed there. Let's go. How dare you enter my quantum of crap? Where's the speaker?
She's dead. Why?
Yeah, whatever. I'm okay.
Now you're dead.
Good. Oh my God! It's a quantum of crap. Get out of my quantum of crap! Run! Run, Forrest! Run! Action! James Nick.
I'm okay!
Shut up.
Stop! Why won't you die? Oh, God, stop! Dude, that hurts!
Oh my God!
I'm gonna pwn you!
You know, you're gonna die by getting a foot in your face.
I'm gonna pwn you!
I thought you were out of ammo.
Oh, too bad. I was just following the script, but this is ridiculous. Fix the crap! Ah!
No. Oh! That hurt!
Oh! That was a real shot. Okay, you can stop now. I'm dying. I swear to God, I'm dying. I'm not dead, but I'm dying.